A single bad seller rating could cost you thousands. I'll show you how to get the negative seller feedback rating strike through. So you can see this listing right here. It is Pokemon trading cards, right? And what happens is this seller keeps getting their reviews strike through, aka they don't count. So you can click on the sold by of Rare's Market. It's actually going to take you to their page. We're going to scroll up right here. Here's their seller page, all of the items that they sell. And if we scroll down right away, we can see some of their reviews are striked through. It says I ordered 2 boxes and was charged for 2 boxes, but only received 1, right? And then we got some more strike throughs. The product, absolutely terrible. Do not buy. So a lot of terrible, right? But they're striking through these, and that's what we want to do. This is essentially as close as you can get to removing the seller feedback on Walmart. And Walmart will put up a fight with you. But what you can do is reference the market reviews overview policy from Walmart directly. This is actually on Walmart's marketplace policies. And if you just do Control F and we do strike through, we can scroll down and we can see that Walmart will strike through negative seller feedback that's caused by Walmart. And as you saw with the negative seller feedback that was struck through before, it doesn't have to be completely caused by Walmart. As long as it mentions that the product was damaged, right? Or even the item, the box was damaged, Walmart will be removing the feedback, aka striking through the feedback. And you can see we apply strike through review to these reviews under special circumstances if WFS is at fault, right? And you can kind of see the policy here. But it is great to reference this policy. And what you're going to do is you're going to reach out to Walmart directly. And you're going to say something like this: Hi, Walmart, I would request that our seller feedback to be strike through because it's related to fulfillment issues caused by Walmart. And you're going to send them a screenshot of that. Then you're going to say it states Walmart. It states in Walmart's marketplace review overview policy that Walmart will strike through reviews on items sold by sellers related to fulfillment issues caused by Walmart. Now, if you say this, Walmart might get confused because a lot of the employees that work there have no idea what they're doing. So make sure you put a screenshot of the review. You probably need to do a screenshot of the policy as well, depending on who you're talking to, right? But right now, we just do a screenshot of the review because you don't want to overwhelm them, okay? And then you put the policy. After that, what you're most likely going to need to do is you may need to take a screenshot of the actual policy itself and reference a competitor that got strike through. I already showed you one today, so you can reference a competitor that had seller feedback that was strike through. And then you can ask for escalation. Be like, you're removing and striking through other feedback for other sellers, but not for us, even though it's in your policy that you're supposed to. And then getting to the right rep is what's going to help. And it does take time, but this is pretty much the step-by-step. And you just need to really explain it to Walmart, reference all of those policies, and then get into Walmart, right? And then once you're in Walmart, then you're going to be contacting seller support right here, and then click in contact support, right? Opening up multiple cases may help initially because you do need to get to somebody and you do need to get this escalated if they're not willing to help. Initially, a lot of people don't ask for this, so I'm sure the Walmart team is not fully trained on how to do this. So just keep that in mind at the end of the day. Also, we do offer free listing audits. So if you did need help selling on Walmart, you can literally go to ehpconsultinggroup.com, get a free listing audit. Once you're here, you can fill out that information and we'll go through all of your top competitors. And guess what? We can see how much money they're making per month on Walmart, right? Just like this pregnancy pillow. And we can show you them. We can also show you what keywords they're ranking for if they're running Walmart ads or not, right? And what you can do to improve your listing completely free. It's going to help us. Great practice. We'll give it to you for free so you can just fill out on our website. And what that's going to do is just make sure that you know what your competitor's doing that you're not doing so you can increase your sales at the end of the day. That's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on any new Walmart video you want me to make in the future. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're a Walmart seller, highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact the EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. We also do full account management where we're managing all of your reviews, looking at them every day, your account health, making sure you don't get suspended, and of course, increasing your sales. That way you can focus on growing your business while we're doing the day-to-day operations. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.